to allow.
The Shillong Law College Women's Cell of the Internal Quality Assessment Committee IQAC organized a street play to raise awareness about violence against women and gender-neutral laws as part of the Diamond Jubilee celebration. The play was held at Shillong's Dhanketi Point and featured college students performing various acts to educate the public on these important issues. Dr. Wanri Shisha Dakhar, convener of the Women's Cell, and Dr. Marina Lini Karshiying, Vice Principal of the college, along with other faculty members, were present at the event. Speaking to reporters, Dr. Karshiying emphasized the significance of gender-neutral laws in promoting a more balanced social and living standard.
Well, we can only say that why women are being abused in spite of having various important rights, beautiful rights which we have. And the only reason responsible for this is the lack of awareness. In fact, each and every woman, not just women, each and every citizen should be well aware of what the rights which they have. And even if in case their rights are being violated, infringed, then of course we have the law. Law is there, which is a kind, of a protective, so to say, instrument insofar as those women are concerned, if at all their rights are being violated. We have the law.